Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to learn how to use shell command in Autodesk Inventor. So firstly we have to draw a sketch. Let's draw a circle and dimension 50 millimeter and finish. Now go to extrude and extrude it 50 millimeter. Okay. Now go to shell command. In shell command we have three options. First is inside, second is outside, and third one is mid. Okay, so firstly we select inside and click the remove face. Click the face which we want to remove. Simply click, select this face and okay. So this is our shell command with inside dimension. Okay, we can also check. Simply go to inspect and distance. We can see 48 millimeter. So 1 millimeter this side and 1 millimeter this side. Okay, go to shell and edit feature again. Second is outside. Now click OK and check the distance again. This is our 50 millimeter. So the shell command enlarge the outer diameter is 52, 2 millimeter outside and 1 millimeter this side and 1 millimeter this side. Okay, next one is center. If we select this and OK, so our inside diameter is 49 and outer is 51. Okay, so this is our shell command and hope you understand. If you have any doubts then please comment and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.